Hi and welcome back. My name is Simon and on this channel I like to do and build different things. So if that is something that interests you, feel free to subscribe. And today in this video I have prepared or I have found 5 best life hacks or work hacks or whatever we call them. So this is gonna be a treat. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's get started. Already here, this wouldn't happen if they would use the right screwdriver. As you can see, the screw is PZ and the screwdriver is PH. I'm always telling this, use the right one and you will not make such a big mistake, but let's see what they did. I mean, it seems like it works. I never tried it. But yeah, so if you don't want to have such a problems, you need to use the right screwdriver for right type of screw. And how you recognize that, actually, if I will show you, I will go back. And in here, there are those small stars. And that stars actually tells you, or those kind of pointy arrows? Yeah, I would call it a star. That star is actually telling you that that screw is PZ. And because this screwdriver doesn't have that thingy that would fit into that star, you can see that that's just a PH screwdriver. This is how PH screwdriver looks. This is how PH screw look. And comparison to this is PZ screwdriver and PZ screw. Use the right one and you will not have such a problems. Here we have it. Very good one. Very good one. So I might imagine that they were like turning that screw and pushing it to the wood for at least a minute just to make at least such a hole. It's absolutely like, yeah, this doesn't really work and it's really not effective. If you would want to do it effective way, I have actually found another video where they are showing it how it looks. And that's actually how it looks like. And if you don't have that countersink drill, you can just get, for example, drill that is like 1 centimeter big and do the same thing, and that will definitely be helpful, much better than what I did. So, in the beginning, he broke that thingy, that the holder, jug of water, and then he basically make exactly the same just out of plastic bottles. This deserves 100 points. I don't know if it is valuable for them, but that is totally good idea. Alright, I want to tell you why that is not gonna work. If you will go back, you see there is on the screwdriver there is already a, like, what is it called? 6. Celine, honeycomb. What is that shape? Yeah. hex. Let me Google it.
6.5 hours later.
It is called hexagon. Alright. So when you look at the screwdriver itself has a hexagon on its right there. Right there you can see the hexagon that the screwdriver already has. And then if you put a circle on a hexagon that is inside that hole, that's a circular hole. That is not gonna hold it at all. So to put it on top and then use the key is quite dumb. Why not just use the smaller size key that fits this hexagon there? And it would work perfectly. So another, let's say 50 points for that one. Yeah, that was totally the best one. This is the winner of it all. Why wouldn't you just, I mean, you can use a speed square, you can use so many other ways how to mark that. You can actually put it on the corner of the table, like for example here, and then just use normal pencil and done. No other problems. So yeah, this guy is really making his life much easier. So yeah, if you have a problem, just overcomplicate the solution. That will always help you. That's the wisdom of today. And with that word, I will say bye-bye. I will see you in my next video.